Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix audio service not responding error in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type services. Open services. First of all, find out Windows Audio. Now here is the Windows Audio. Open it and make sure that it's selected automatic. Click on Start and Apply and OK button. After doing this step, find out a Windows Audio endpoint. Now here is a Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. So open it and make sure that it's also selected automatic. Click on Start, Apply and OK button. And close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows. Go to your privacy and security and scroll down and find out a microphone. Make sure that microphone is turned on. If it is turned off it, then turn on it. So in my case it's already turned on. I hope after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. So after that type of command is net space local group space administrator space slash add space network service. Press enter. After doing this type of command is net space local group administrator space slash add space local service and press enter. After doing this step, type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type system sysdm.cpl. Open it, and after doing this step, click on a hardware, click on a device installation settings, and after that select a no, click save changes, click OK, right click, go to your device manager, scroll down, click on a universal bus drivers, select a sound, video and gaming control, expand it, and after doing this step, select a audio, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.